Good morning, everybody. It is like 6:30 a.m. I've got up and washed my hair and I'm having a coffee, which is why I'm getting ready. We're going to Animal Kingdom today. Cannot wait. It's going to be so good. Animal Kingdom's definitely one of my favourite parks. And then we haven't done the Avatar ride in it either, which is why we're going so fucking early, because they're going to rope drop it, but I don't even think we're there. But if it's like 130 minutes, we've sort of realised that even though it's saying that it is like maybe 130, 150 minutes, they're not actually, this is kids toothpaste, they're not actually that long. Like every ride that we have said that has been an hour has been like half an hour, and then they're not like normal lines. Like you're not just standing in a line staring at walls. Like there's so much going on around you. Like yes, some parts of it are just a line, but once you get into like the buildings, they're all like to do with like whatever ride you're getting on, like E.T., like you walk through the forest, and Simpsons you walk through like the house and all. Like it's so good. Give Sonny and like and what's in Animal Kingdom?
Like everywhere.
Animals,
Giraffes and all.
giraffes.
I don't get a coffee every day, I'd be very cranky.
Good morning. Can I get started off with something to eat?
No, thank you.
All right. What are we drinking?
Can I get a flat white grande?
Good morning, everybody. We're on our way to Animal Kingdom. Nobody's wearing their ears. Nobody's wearing their merch. I'm dressed for the safari, ready to go. It's a beautiful morning in sunny Florida, and we're ready to have a great day.
Yeah.
Aren't we, Tara?
Walking out of the
This is my moment. This is my time to shine, guys. Jack, would you stop ruining the video? Like, I'm going to have to edit that out now.
Yeah, you will have to have that.
And we're in! Oh my goodness! We're heading straight to Avatar.
Vegan, no, we're in a
Flight of
rush.
passage, because it's going to be the worst line. So, oh, so excited. But we're going to get this one over with first, because we didn't get to come the last time. Smell the food already. Unreal. Tara is not Tara, and like, Tara, get off your fucking phone.
We can do it, no, but what have we not done?
Like, men in black. Line we've been on yet, I would say. We've been here for an hour, 15 minutes. Yeah, hopefully we're not too far away yet. That's about tar over there, but this one's meant to be the best.
Nice. You're smiling. I can't do that, especially.
Oh my god, another queue!
An amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my...
That was literally the best ride ever!
It was.
And we're all literally fucking crying at it! That was so good! Oh. Honestly, I have never been on a better ride than Avatar Flight of Passage. Like, Disney just do it different. Look at this place. Honestly, unreal. Getting a little 11 a.m. snack. I get a cocktail and some pulled pork mac and cheese because seeing it on TikTok is maybe unreal. So that's what we're gonna get. It's the salt, but the straw in. Is it? What do we mix?
Really know how to serve alcohol over here.
I know, no wonder the double check your IDs. And then the Dino Land. It's getting hot now, isn't it? What do you think of your margarita, Mom?
Loving life.
Nice.
Actually get really nice.
They're so nice,
Yeah, I
aren't
think I'm
they?
gonna change my cocktail.
Yeah.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio.
Turn around, Arch.
Cuide a los pequeñitos.
Cheese.
Gracias. Riders in the
Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Put it down, Arch. Put it down. Push it down. Woo! Where are you going? I'm literally shaking. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. I literally screamed my way around it, but like it was so good. Thoroughly enjoyed. Heading into the Lion King show. Woo! The show's so magical, man. Cannot wait, man. It's not a movie, it's like a show. It's like a show. Wait here for Mummy and all.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all...
Going on the safari next. Everybody's very grumpy, very tired. Not me though, not me. Go.
As we welcome you, Robert. Slide all the way over to the left hand
These
side.
are every single animal we're going to see.
In Swahili does mean little, so it's the little forest. Basically, it's just a pretty small forest that the animals are weighing in at only 3,000 pounds, so obviously super duper tiny. Greens and things like that. So you'll see the hippos get out of the water like this to go and graze on some of their leafy greens they have around here. Some of their favorites, their predators.
I saw the zebra.
That's how we
There's a
how
zebra
big
up
they will
here.
stand up and fight for animals whenever necessary. We also have some wills of beast here. You call a group of wildebeest a herd or a confusion. They do travel in very large migratory herds, usually about 1.5 and here. The eland is the largest antelope that lives in the reserve. At their shoulder, everything here in the savannah, but when they're all on the move with one another, that is called a jerk. A lot of them are eating right now, not too surprising. They do spend 22 hours each and every day just eating. And kind of showing the back of its ears as well, where all those blood vessels are. Their trunks are also super impressive. They do just about anything and everything with those trunks. And they actually have more muscles in their trunks than we have in our entire bodies. Coming up here on our left-hand side, we have a group of flamingos. A group of flamingos is called a flam because these are the greater flamingo. They are the largest. They get their pink color from the board, though. We call a group of rhinos a crash, a female lion, as she is the one that does the hunting for the pride, and she does hunt primarily at nighttime. A 15 to 20 minute self-guided walking tour. Now you will see some animals there that you saw here today, but you're also going to see some that you would not be able to see here at safaris. They close at 6:30. And lastly, here in Africa, there's Rafiki's Plan to Watch. You're going to take a train to a separate area of the park that can only be reached by that.
No, that's Pocahontas. And that is Animal Kingdom done for the day. It is a hot one. He's very hot. Very, very hot. Gonna get a Chipotle for dinner. Whew. Yeah, good job. It's literally 10 to 9. We're going to sleep because we're all so tired. Night.